Once you've done your site calibration, you can also do the site calibration report, which you can access from the site calibration command pane here. At the top, there's an icon that looks like a pad with an eye, kind of like an eyeball. If you click on that, it will launch a spreadsheet or a browser page, and it will provide you with your site calibration information. So you can see here all the residuals and the report. So you can print this, save it, and do what you need to it. Another way to access this, if you're not in this command or in the command itself, is you can either go back to it, and from there you can go to the command, or you can press F12 and type in sitecal, and as you type in sitecal, you'll see that you can access the site calibration report through this method, and it will create the browser of the report.